As the cryptocurrency market is turning bullish, is it better to stick with Bitcoin or should crypto investors be looking to altcoins instead? At the time of making this video, Bitcoin is only the 67th best performer in the cryptocurrency top 100 in the last 30 days. While BTC's 27% price increase against the US dollar is impressive in isolation, it pales in comparison to the gains displayed by many altcoins. In the top 100 alone, 28 different cryptocurrencies have gained 60% or more in the last 30 days, with 13 of them seeing gains of 100% and above. However, it's currently way too early to say that an alt season is in full effect. In fact, Bitcoin dominance, which is a metric that tells us how much of the total crypto market cap is taken up by BTC, has been climbing since November 2022. Bitcoin dominance, which bottomed out at almost exactly 40% in December of 2022, has now climbed up to about 51%. Bitcoin dominance tends to dip when the cryptocurrency markets are very bullish and sentiment is positive. Simply put, investors become more confident to park their money into riskier altcoins since they believe they'll achieve better returns than with Bitcoin, which is seen as a conservative bet in the context of the crypto market. As you can see in this chart, Bitcoin dominance, labeled in orange, saw a big decline during the crypto bull markets in 2017 and 2021. The white line represents the total cryptocurrency market cap. The fact that Bitcoin dominance is yet to enter a downwards trend could be an indication that there's still room to grow for altcoins, which have already been performing well since the start of 2023. It's important to keep in mind that altcoins crashed much harder than Bitcoin in the 2022 crypto winter, which is likely contributing to the fact that they are now displaying stronger rallies as the sentiment in the crypto market turns bullish. For example, Solana is still down about 75% from its all-time high despite displaying a price surge of more than 500% since the start of 2023. Now, let's take a look at how the second largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum, is doing in comparison to Bitcoin. Ethereum is so large now that it's hard to call it an altcoin. However, its relationship with Bitcoin has been a very interesting storyline to follow in the crypto market, and we believe it's still worth keeping an eye on. Ethereum has been in a clear negative trend against Bitcoin since September of 2022. Back then, Ethereum peaked at a price of roughly 0.085 BTC per Ether. Following that, Ether went into a steady decline against Bitcoin, ultimately finding support around the 0.05 mark. This support level was tested in November of 2023, and has successfully held up until now. Ethereum appears to be a relatively good buy compared to Bitcoin at the moment, although it might be worth waiting a little longer for stronger confirmation that the 0.05 level was indeed the bottom of the Ether-BTC pair's year-long downward trend. Currently, Ethereum's market capitalization is about 34% of Bitcoin's market cap. Ethereum came the closest to surpassing Bitcoin in mid-2017, when this ratio peaked at around 83%. If another cryptocurrency bull market is indeed brewing, we would expect to see Ethereum closing this gap to an extent, but it currently appears very unlikely that Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin at any point in the near future. While Bitcoin should probably still be the biggest holding in most crypto portfolios, it might be worth taking a closer look at Ethereum since the ETH to BTC ratio is still relatively low. One of the main factors going in favor of Bitcoin in the near future is the expected approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States, which is becoming increasingly more likely. This could result in significant amounts of capital flowing to Bitcoin, which could make it outperform most altcoins. Of course, there is also the upcoming Bitcoin halving, which is expected to occur either in April or May in 2024. As we get closer to the halving, we can expect the market's sentiment on Bitcoin to improve significantly.